So I just reached my $100 goal for the second time with the help of AI in literally a couple of weeks. Today we'll be sharing with you guys a few ways on how you can make your first $100 realistically with actionable steps and real and proven ways using just AI, so that you won't get evicted because you're short on rent. The fifth idea is my personal favorite, so stick around if you don't want to miss it. Don't know what AI is? You must be living under your bed or something if you don't already know this. Well, AI, also known as artificial intelligence, is the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and translation between languages. Let's dive into the first and one of the easiest ways to make your first $100, which is by writing articles on Medium using WriteSonic. This is an AI tool that can write articles that literally ranks in Google search fairly quickly. You must be wondering how ranking articles on Google is going to make me any money, stupid faceless YouTube channel anime guy. Well, it's quite simple, by inserting affiliate links all throughout your Medium articles. Affiliate links are basically generated from affiliate programs, and affiliate programs are generated from affiliate marketing, which is what this business model is called. Let's say you joined Amazon's affiliate program. When you're accepted in the program, you will receive a unique link that will be tracked by Amazon. So whenever someone clicks on your link to a product that you might be recommending, you would receive a small commission or a small percentage of the sale. You also have sites that are willing to pay even higher commissions than Amazon, like Impact.com, ShareASale.com, and ClickBank.com. So if you're a complete newbie to affiliate marketing, I would recommend focusing on one platform first so that you can get the hang of things much quicker. Okay, so let's get back on track. Here was one of our Medium articles that was literally written by AI and was ranking number 2 on Google search in literally less than 24 hours, and still gets views unto this day. First things first, you need to sign up for a free WriteSonic account, which will be linked down in my description. See what I did there? That's literally what affiliate marketing is in a nutshell. If you do decide to click my specific link and sign up, I would receive a small commission only if you decided to go for a paid plan. So essentially it's a win-win if you ask me. So be sure to click that link. Anyways, once you're in WriteSonic, you can see that this AI can do a whole lot for you without even having to do so much or even having any ideas as to what your first article is going to be about, because WriteSonic can help you with brainstorming great ideas. So we're going to use the AI Article Writer 4.0 for this example. This is really straightforward. You just include a topic that you may be interested in, and WriteSonic is going to whip up some ideas related to what you're interested in based on the keywords you include. Here you'll see the types of potential keywords that you could use. The search volume, which basically means how many people are searching for that keyword on a monthly basis, and the KD, which is essentially the keyword difficulty to attain a top 10 ranking for a certain keyword. Or if you already have a few keywords in mind, you could use the second option and just get straight to the article creation. Here you would just add a few more additional details about what you would want the tone of the article to be like, the language, etc. Please be specific, because remember that this is artificial intelligence, and the more human touch it has, the greater the results will be on your end. Next up is generating the ideas for the article. Feel free to choose one of these or just create your own. Then we're going to generate an outline, and you're just going to choose one or edit it to have specific sections within the outline, like maybe an FAQ section. You'll have to decide what fits you best based on what you're promoting or writing about. Once that's done, you literally click on Generate Article. By now you should already have signed up for a free Medium account, and from there you would just paste your brand new article by clicking on Write, and from there you just include a few affiliate links. Being that this article is about AI, I would literally just Google the best paying AI softwares to promote, and it's up to you to pick, choose, and refuse, and include your own affiliate link that you would have received upon getting approved for the program. Did you know that there is another way to make even more money with your Medium articles? I know you didn't, that's why you're here. This way is by joining Medium's partner program. With this route, you'll get paid for every Medium member that actually reads your story or article for at least 30 seconds. Combine affiliate marketing while being a part of Medium's partner program, and your opportunities will literally be endless. That's only if you're willing to put in the work, because without human touch, writing articles wouldn't be the right way for you to go. AI is designed to make your job easier, not for you to solely rely on. That's why God gave you a brain to think about your thoughts. Make sense? Just wanted to put that out there, because we're not selling you any get-rich-quick dreams, schemes, or courses. Furthermore, have you ever heard of anyone making money on YouTube without ever being a part of YouTube's partner program, or even creating the videos themselves, literally just using AI to get the job done completely? If not, you must be living under a couch for the past 3 years of your life. Anyways, enough of the jokes. I decided that for the first 2 videos on our channel, we were going to use InVideo AI to create 2 9 to 10 minute long YouTube videos in just seconds, and of course I decided to add a bit of my own human touches to them, which is editing. And even without the editing, it was still a professional video with an engaging script for a video, a human-like AI voiceover, and also stunning visuals. But check them out on our channel to see how engaging they are for yourselves in these 2 videos. I won't be going too in-depth with this one because I already went over this more in detail in this video, showing you guys how to use InVideo AI to receive the best possible video with just 1 click. So feel free to check it out after watching this one. This section is like a mini part 2 to that video. But one of the best ways to monetize your YouTube channel without relying on YouTube to get paid is by using ChatSonic to write your very own ebooks that will be related to your channel's niche. Let's say your YouTube channel is about babies that are always pooping every 30 minutes. You could literally go into ChatSonic and type, "Write me an outline for an ebook that will help babies not poop every 30 minutes." And once that's done, you just ask the chatbot to write the ebook content on each bullet point in more detail. And lastly, you literally just say to the chatbot, "Write me 4 full paragraphs expanding more on chapter 1. Then you copy and paste from ChatSonic over to Canva to create your ebook. Once that's done, you would come over to a site called System.io, which is also a free tool, just like all the tools I've mentioned so far. And again, all the links to the different tools mentioned in this video will be linked down below. System.io isn't an AI tool though. This will be the platform where you would create a sales funnel or landing page to sell your ebook to your audience seamlessly. What are sales funnels though? Well, this is a sequence of pages that are designed to sell a product or service by simply showcasing the benefits of the product even more than you ever could in any of your YouTube videos. So essentially, this is just to convert visitors into buyers of your products or services. Don't know how to even sell a pen? I got you. That's why we created this special 4 ebook bundle that literally equips you with the skill sets needed to survive and make any money, whether that's online or in the real world. This was designed to assist beginners starting out on their money-making online journey to understand that people are not just going to spend their money on what you're selling just because it may be cheap and you're undercutting the market. If what you're selling is not valuable or life-changing in the customer's eyes, it doesn't make sense. So check that out in our description link below. It's going for only $30 right now, and this will get you started with the right mindset and skills because whether you'd like to believe it or not, making money online is a skill because not everyone knows how to do so. Moving on to our final point, which is selling untapped AI services on Fiverr. In this section, I will be going over 2 untapped ways which you could make money as a freelancer on Fiverr. What is Fiverr though? Well, this is a marketplace where freelancers sell services and clients just come to give away their money to regular Joes just like me and you, just to get something done for them which they may be too lazy to do or they just don't have the skill set to get it done for themselves in the first place. Anyways, one of the best ways to make your first $100 with Fiverr and AI is to create and sell traditional tattoo designs using Midjourney AI. The competition for this is only $485, and if you click on the first gig right here, you would see that she has a few orders in queue right now, and she also has over 141 5-star reviews. If we should just calculate this on the low end, her basic package is for $50. And if we should multiply that $50 by the 141 reviews, that's literally $7,100. And not to mention that a few of those people may even order her standard or premium package as well, and these are pretty simple to create. Using Midjourney AI makes it a breeze to create designs like this in just seconds, with just a simple prompt like this. Boom! Here we have 4 different variations of just one design style, and of course, all of this depends on the client's requirements for their tattoo. And just a key tip for starters, please ensure that you use Midjourney to create a portfolio first to showcase your work so that your chances on landing a client for the first time is much bigger. Moving forward, have you ever been on TikTok or Instagram and saw different short clips from small or unknown podcasts going viral? Well, we're going to be the ones to be supplying just that by using this free AI tool called Opus Clip. If you should look on Fiverr, the competition is ridiculously low for repurposing podcast clips, and this is a service that is in high demand because short form content is literally taking over all the social media platforms. All you have to do with your client's videos is copy the link to their podcast video on YouTube and just paste it into Opus Clip AI, and this will literally chop up one long-form video into 8 to 15 short-form content with engaging subtitles, emojis, and a compelling title for each video with less than 2 minutes of work. Sound too good to be true? Well, yes, because you would obviously have to ensure that you build up a portfolio first. Remember, you're just starting out, so even though Fiverr is a trusted site, if the customer purchased one of your gigs and didn't like the quality of services provided to them, they can either request a refund or just leave a bad review. And trust me, you wouldn't want that just starting out on your journey, because without a portfolio and reviews, it's close to impossible to get noticed. That's why I recommend creating a portfolio first. When I was just starting out on my journey, I personally use Skillshare.com, which is a platform where you get access to any course of your choice that are in high quality, and you don't need to be paying thousands of dollars because this is a one-price subscription-based platform where you would be paying around $24 per month, and you would get access to every single course there is on the platform. So for every idea that I shared in this video, there's a course on Skillshare that'll walk you through from complete beginner stage. The greatest thing about this is if you click my link in the description below, you would receive 1 month free of cost, so feel free to check that out. Furthermore, click on this video to find out how to make YouTube videos in seconds with no editing and make money while doing so fairly quickly with the strategies shared in this video.